Hello everyone, I am going to discuss contribution of lattice points for unit cell in this lecture, mainly in the solid state. I am discussing about a cube first of all here. So a cube has 8 corners, remember 8 corners, top on the front, top on the 4 on the top, 4 on bottom. So it has 8 corners and 6 faces. See, top one, bottom one, left one, right one, back one and front one. So it has 6 faces and 12 edges. 12 edges. These are called edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it has 12 edges and one center. Unit cell is nothing but it's a smallest repeating portion of crystal lattice. Smallest repeating portion of crystal lattice is known as unit cell. Here we are discussing cubic unit cell. First of all, cube, and here cube has 8 corners, 6 faces, 12 edges and 1 center. If we see the contribution of each atom at corners, faces, edges and centers. So the first one is corners. Corner atoms are shared by 8 unit cells or 8 cubes. These are corner atoms shared by 8 unit cells or say cubes, 8 cubes. So here one atom present in the corner is shared by 8 unit cells. So here for one unit cell or for one unit cell or cube, we will get 1 by 8th part. So at corners the contribution will be 1 by 8. Corners contribution is 1 by 8. Next one, face centers. At each face, the atom, at each face center, the atom is shared by, see this face is divided by or shared by 2 unit cells or 2 cubes. This is one unit cell and the next one is this one. So contribution at face centers is 1 by 2. Remember, face centers is 1 by 2 and at corners it is 1 by 8. Next one is at edges. At edges, each edge is shared by 4 unit cells. Each edge is shared by 4 unit cells or 4 cubes. So one atom is dividing by 4 parts. How much part each cube gets? That is 1 by 4. At edges, contribution will be 1 by 4. At center, contribution is 1 atom. See, if there is one complete atom present in a center of the cube, so the complete atom belongs to that particular cube. So remember, at face centers, contribution is 1 by 2 and corners contribution is 1 by 8 and edges contribution is 1 by 4 center's contribution is 1. So you have to remember at corners contribution will be 1 by 8, 1 by 8 at corners, 1 by 2 at face centers, 1 by 4 at edge centers, 1 is the body center contribution. So these are very important to do any calculations or any problems in the solid state. So we must have to remember the contribution of lattice points per unit cell.